Today we are going to learn about Mirth Message Tree and how to use it. So I'll just go into one of the enabled channel which I have, and I'll just go to the destination part. So here in the destination we can edit filter, edit transformer, and do a lot of things, validate connector. So what I want to do is like a basic thing. I'll just click on edit filter. When I clicked on edit filter, I have a lot of rules to be added over here. I'll be clicking add new rule, and we have multiple options here like role builder and everything. So the important thing is without a message tree structure we cannot build any rules over here. Mirth will not be able to understand. So here it is a message template. I just copied one basic ORU R01 over here, and I'll just copy and paste it over here. When I copy and paste it over here, you can see the message tree will be populated for ORU R01, and it will have all the fields and subfields. So this is very important on moving forward and creating any steps further, whether it's a JavaScript or whether it's role builder or anything, whether it's even the transformer. So this will help us to drag and drop things. For example, I have a role builder over here, accept message if exists, and I'll just drag msg3 over here. So this will says if msg3 exists in the message which we are sending, this will pass the filter. And it's not about the message template over here. You can completely ignore the details in this particular message. This is a sample message. You can even get this particular message from Google. So even you need to make sure that how many repetition characters and everything, this will really affect your production environment seriously. So I'll let you explain on how even you need to build the particular segments. It's always better to just give an empty pipelines over here rather than giving a lot of data over here. Message tree will work even with that. So I'll explain how that works. I have just a sample message segment names over here, and I added all the fields. Okay, so this should help us a lot in understanding this structure, and future even you can edit this without any issues. So I just added a few of the fields over here. That's it. This is how we are actually helping Mirth to understand the segments and everything to form the tree structure. So once I remove this, you can see there is no tree structure. So I'll copy this particular HL7 message which I have created, and I'll paste it over here. That's it. Mirth will analyze and it will take the message tree structure. The ADT A01 or ORU01 is not important here. The message tree structure is important as of now. So it will recognize all the fields as per the requirement, and you can go ahead and proceed. So even you can give multiple characters, sub characters, sub components and everything inside depending on your requirement. So this is a basic first step before creating any transformer or any filter, while go ahead and doing all the logics behind in the background. So always make sure you have a proper message template before going ahead and running anything. So let's we'll walk into the next video and we'll discuss more about filters and transformers.